Hey there! It's important to find ways to communicate effectively with your boss, and there are plenty of good reasons why. Here are just a few to consider. How to communicate with your boss without being intimidated. It's important to keep in mind that your boss is not your enemy, but rather a partner who is working towards the same goal as you, to help the organization grow and succeed. By remembering this, you can approach communication with your boss in a more positive and collaborative way. Keep the conversation focused on what you can both do to achieve the common goal, and be open to feedback and constructive criticism. Remember that communication is a two-way street, so be sure to actively listen to your boss's perspective and ideas and offer your own thoughts and insights. By working together and keeping the bigger picture in mind, you can build a more productive and effective working relationship with your boss. How to communicate a problem to my boss. Don't be scared to talk to your boss about any issues that come up. Your boss wants to be in the loop, so it's important to keep them informed. When bringing up a problem, also suggest a solution that you've thought of and ask for feedback to make sure it doesn't happen again. If there's a miscommunication, address it as soon as possible. Waiting can make things worse. To avoid misunderstandings, ask your boss to repeat their request and double-check that you've understood it correctly. Remember, your boss is there to support you, so don't hesitate to communicate openly and honestly. What to do if your boss has a personal problem with you? It's possible that you might feel like your boss doesn't like you, but remember that we're all human. You can schedule a meeting with your boss and ask if there's anything you may have done wrong. Let your boss know that you both are a team working towards a shared goal and that you're there to support and assist them. Reassuring your boss that you're on the same team can help to build a positive working relationship. Just remember to approach the conversation with an open mind and a friendly tone. How to communicate with your boss. When you disagree, it's completely normal to have disagreements with your boss from time to time. In these situations, it's important to put aside any personal feelings and focus on finding the best solution for the team. If you believe you have a good solution, be sure to back it up with facts and present it respectfully to your boss. However, it's important to remember that your boss may not always choose your solution, and that's okay. It's not a personal reflection on you, and your boss may simply need to see the situation from a different perspective. Just keep working hard and contributing to the team's success. Communicate with your boss regularly. Regular communication with your boss is important to build trust and maintain a positive working relationship. By keeping your boss updated on your work and progress, you show your commitment to working together toward success. This can help to reduce tension and ensure that everyone is on the same page. So don't be afraid to reach out and update your boss on your progress. It can only strengthen your working relationship.